Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to change pet name in Grow a Garden Roblox. Now for this there is a prerequisite. You will need to be accessing the level 2 or tier 2 pet shop where you will buy an item called the pet name reroller. So you'll need that. Let me show you what that looks like. So if you come here to shop, you will just need to go ahead and buy this item. It costs either 10 million or 49 Robux. Now, if you have 49 Robux or 10 million, you can buy this and you can just get a randomly allocated pet name. So you can't choose a specific name, but you get a random name. So all you need to do is just get that item. It puts a bone-shaped pet name tag in your hand. Just walk up to your pet that you want to name. You just use this item on them and it will work. It'll be that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.